Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So I just wanted to do a quick update video on what we've been doing because I know we haven't put a video out in I think about 3 weeks. So main deal is we're getting ready to move the Dodge 1000 Cabover. A local subscriber and YouTuber, Texas Street Man, has reached out and we've been talking back and forth, and he actually hooked me up with a guy that has wheels and tires for sale. So I went and picked up 4 of them. I have 2 rims and tires that are in great condition, and then I picked up 2 more rims that have the tires on them aren't that good, so I'm going to go ahead and change those out with tires I have, and I have a valve stem to replace in one of the rims. But the other thing I wanted to mention or do an update on is we've hit 1,000 subscribers. That was my goal, and I've reached the goal, so I guess we're going to have to make a new goal. I really do appreciate and thank everyone that has subscribed and commented and liked my videos. I really do appreciate it. The only reason I'm doing YouTube is for you guys and to have content to watch. So, thank you, and please enjoy this. Probably going to be a short video. I'm just getting these tires ready, and I went ahead and made me a bead bead cedar tool. I've changed tires quite a bit and didn't have the beads here. I'll go ahead and show you guys. I'm sure if you guys change tires, or if you guys know anything about changing tires, this is what you do to seat the beads. Went ahead and threw one together so we can change these tires out. But and I don't know how much I'm going to show on moving the truck. I'm going to try and show as much as I can, but I'm sure it's going to be a little hectic. But we will catch up after we move the truck to a better location. So thank you guys for everything you've done, and please continue to watch and subscribe and like the videos, comment. Please leave a comment. I love reading your guys' comments. I read every single one. So, thank you, and y'all take care.